Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit is a free legal service dedicated to helping people with any family violence-related matters. In the ACT, the legal definition of family violence is quite broad. The law recognises that family violence is not just physical violence. It can include a range of behaviours that cause someone to feel fearful. In this video, we are going to break down one form of family violence, and that is emotional abuse. The law defines emotional abuse as behaviour by one person that torments, intimidates, harasses, or is offensive to another family member. So what does emotional abuse actually look like in real life? Here are just some examples. Using offensive language such as swearing at a family member, belittling a family member, yelling at a family member causing them to feel fearful, threatening a family member with self-harm, telling a family member that you have self-harmed, or self-harming in front of a family member in order to make them feel guilty, threatening to distribute compromising pictures or videos of a family member, stopping a family member from engaging in cultural or spiritual practices, isolating a family member from their friends or family, sending unwanted communication to a family member, such as text messages, DMs, emails, or phone calls, causing them to feel harassed. These are just a few examples of behaviours that may constitute family violence in the form of emotional abuse. If you are experiencing behaviour that you think may be emotional abuse, or any behaviour at all that causes you to feel unsafe, you may wish to contact Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit for free and confidential advice on what legal options you may have, including obtaining an interim family violence order. To find out more about what an interim family violence order is, you can watch our short video titled, "What is an interim family violence order?" Our Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit operates from the ACT Magistrates Court every weekday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can drop into our physical office at the Magistrates Court, or you can call our free Legal Aid ACT helpline on 1300 654 314 to speak with a family violence lawyer over the phone. For non-legal support, you can contact the Domestic Violence Crisis Service, or DVCS, on their 24-hour crisis hotline on 6280-0900. If you need urgent assistance, or if your immediate safety is at risk, please call emergency services on 000.